Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel, Suburban Sil. So if you are a subscriber to my channel, and I hope you are, you will know that I am a sucker for grow kits. So whenever I see one, I am always happy to experiment with these cute little grow kits. And so today, I'm gonna do this cactus from seed. Now, full disclosure, I have done one of these once before, and it was relatively successful, and I say relatively because I made some mistakes that I am not going to make this time. One mistake that I made was I grew the cactus, oh come on you, in this little pod that's provided, which it worked totally fine. So if you get one of these, feel free to use the pod, just like it has kind of in the instructions here. So they want you to put your soil in the pod, just put your seeds in there, cover it. It's just like a little greenhouse, which is true. Now, however, you're given a bunch of seeds. If you put all these seeds in there, they just grow together in one big clump, which the last time that I did this, I was doing it with my kids, so we were just having fun anyway, so it wasn't that big of a deal, but it did just grow in a big clump. And I want to be a little more strategic this time, because after I repotted the ones that were in the clump, a lot of them didn't make it. How do you get this off? There we go. So like I was saying, a lot of them didn't make it that were in the little clump, and so I have a different plan of attack. In fact, I will show you the ones that I have left over. It's just these three little, what I think are maybe barrel cactuses. Oh, I guess there's four. I'm sorry, there's four. And out of all those seeds, that's all that made it. So when I repotted them in here, they just didn't take very well. But these have been growing, a couple of years. And that's how big they are. So it's a long process. But let's see. Now in here we have fish hook, barrel, prickly pear, hedgehog, cholla, saguaro, golden barrel. Now obviously I don't know which is which. Obviously these bigger white ones will get their own separate, but the other ones are just going to kind of be a guess. The other ones just, they look the same, don't they? Let's get these separated and get them in some cactus dirt. The difference this time is that I'm going to use this little tray and keep them separate. And I think that they will fare much better. So let's see if we can notice. Okay, that one appears different. That one, obviously these ones. That one, there's a big black one, a couple of white ones. Otherwise, I can't tell the difference. So let's just go for it. I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit of sand on the top. Now I moistened my soil before, but now I'm just gonna give the top layer with the seeds in it a little spray. And then we have our lid. So now I will update this video as the process unfolds and I see what kind of cactus I get out of my little grow kit. And with the leftover seeds, I think I'm gonna do something special with those. I might do a tray or something. I have to think that through a little bit. But for now, we're gonna focus on this tray and see what happens. We have liftoff. A couple little seedlings. It's been 4 or 5 days. And actually I decided to put them under a grow light so that they get light 24 hours a day. And because I just don't have the room for these little seedling trays on my shelf at the moment. So let's watch them progress. Time for another check-in on my cactus. We definitely have some growth here. How exciting. So I did a few different trays and we've got some goodness coming up on all the trays. Some are at different levels. But how fun is that? I think I need to spray the top to give it some more moisture, but I love what's happening so far. So I just wanted to do another update and show some things that have popped up over the last couple of days. This one is clearly different. Well, still some late bloomers there. Not sure if I'm going to get anything out of that one. But so far, pretty cool stuff. This one down here was kind of my leftovers. I just kind of put in here and look it. That's looking pretty cool. I'm gonna leave those in there and just kind of see what transpires. And then this is the official tray that you saw me plant. And you know, looking pretty good. I mean, there you have one. Not everything germinated. Look at that. That one's white. I'm sure it'll turn green yet. So not every seed's a winner, but that's gonna happen in those little grow packs. So we will just keep watching and see what's going on. So this is going to be the last update in my cactus from seed video for now. I plan to do a follow-up video, but thought I would do this final update because it's been pretty much exactly a month. So let's see what we have here. As you can see, there's a few different shapes in there. This is the original tray that I planted. Got some fun. That one's getting little spikes on it, just like a cactus would. Let's see, here's my leftover tray, also doing really well. Now, I'm not for certain what varieties are in here. These all look the same right now. So we'll have to see what becomes of this tray during a follow-up. One last one. Now this is the one that has that funky that really funky one in there. And look, I mean, what is that going to be? We got another one right there. So those were those white seeds, I think. Because there's another white seed that didn't go. So we'll have to see what variety that turns out to be. But what a fun little grow kit, huh? Make sure and subscribe to my channel so that you'll get to see the update of how these cactuses progress and find out what becomes of my cactus trays. You can follow me on Instagram, as I'll probably post some updates and videos there as well, at Suburban Sill, and you can also visit my website at suburbansill.com. Thanks for checking out this video, and I will see you, in a few months. We're going to update this cactus video and see where we're at.